how to make your Shopify logo bigger on your store. So right here from the left hand side, I am simply going to click on Online Store, and we should be automatically taken to the themes page. So from this page here, we want to scroll down a little bit until we see the option to customize our theme here. So just choose Customize. And then we need to change something right here. Again, from the left hand side, we will choose Theme Settings. And we should be able to see the logo option right here. So simply click on Logo. And if you already have a logo added, then if you want to make it bigger, then you will simply drag the slider all the way up, and it can go up to 300 pixels. Or if you want to make it smaller, you can drag this down and it can be as little as 50 pixels. So right here, you will choose on Select Image, Upload Image. You will upload your logo if you haven't already. And again, like I said, just use this drag slider and make your logo bigger. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.